Good day, CEA. This is Kristen Luevanos, your chapter president, and with your here with your Tuesday, April 4th video newsletter. So, first thing, loan forgiveness. Please, please, please. There is a QR code on the newsletter for loan forgiveness. Please make sure you actually check out that link and look at the resources CTA has about it. Even apply for loan forgiveness. The worst they can do is say, no, you do not qualify. I know personally, I applied and I didn't qualify, but then the Biden administration changed some regulations and they reached out to me and said, guess what? You do apply, you do qualify, and here's some money back that you overpaid. So please, 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 there's no harm in applying for student loan forgiveness. The worst they can say is no. So make sure you do it. Check out the QR code. CTA has some information on there about which type of loan forgiveness, things like that. So use the resource. Bargaining. I sent a bargaining update yesterday. Please make sure you fill out the survey in that bargaining update. This is for the bargaining team to truly be bargaining for what the members want. That's that idea, that constant communication between members and bargaining so that, they're really fighting for what the members want. Committee dates, PAC, next meeting, April 20th. Elections, next meeting, April 28th. Membership, next meeting, April 25th. Organizing, April 27th. And community outreach, April 17th. And do understand there is a PDF in the email of lists of site reps. So the site and your reps, because I know some members have reached out to me and said, who are my site reps? So if that's you, check out that PDF. There's a list. You can see who the site reps are. And lastly, community schools. This is going to be huge. This is not just another fad. This is not just another grant. The National Educators Association, NEA, sort of like our grandparent association, is supporting this. So is CTA is supporting this because this is really a game changer with how schools function. It's supposed to truly be it's supposed to truly be an organic institution where everything works together, that it's not top down. Our district applied for this grant and got it for for 4 of our 6 high schools. I always say for all 4, but they always forget Chavez and Marshall. So hey, which are separate high schools that have separate budgets but we won't go there. So the 4 out of the 6 high schools, Centennial, Compton High, Compton Early College, and Dominguez High School, all received the implementation grant, which is millions of dollars, to make sure that there is collaborative decision-making, that there's wraparound services for students, that the community and parents are highly involved in the school. And also that the one I'm missing, expanded and enriched learning time and opportunities, which does not mean expanding the learning day for teachers. It does not mean expanding the learning year for teachers. What that means is there are opportunities for the students to get off campus and to learn about the world around them, not just on campus. So the idea is our students get the experiences that really they need and to get out of their own neighborhood to see more. So that's that idea, as well as there are like extended programs, sort of like Think Together and things like that for after school for the working families so that their kids are supervised. So yes, that is part of it, but that's not the only part for that. So there are 4 pillars. I wrote about them in the president section. And we need to make sure that the district adheres to the grant that they applied for. So if you are one of the teachers at the high school, I'm trying to schedule an informational meeting for the beginning of next year for you all. The goal is to try to invite the president of CTA, the new president, to come share as well some success stories, because he's really been involved as well throughout the state with some of the districts like Montebello, some schools in Los Angeles, Anaheim Union High School, San Diego, um, and I mean, just all over the state. So, community schools is really a different way of doing school, and it's based on what that specific school needs. It's not a cookie cutter. So it's really supposed to be built together with labor, with the community, and with the school district, and that is key. So that is something that we will be really pushing the district to make sure that they're doing it the way that they should be doing. So check that out. And if you want to look into it more, Google CTA community schools, even Google NEA community schools, and you'll see the stuff there. So there is that. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Today's is a little short. And I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful spring break. Y'all deserve it. Talk to you later. Bye.